John, what are you doing?
Well, Jake, today is a very special day. It is my second favorite day in the whole world, which is delivery day, but this is delivery of a car to us instead of delivery of a car going to the new owner. So from here, I can see the entrance to the street we live on, and I am breathlessly waiting for the truck and trailer to arrive so that the new car can be unveiled to our viewers. You guys get to see it here first. Brand new car. It'll be very familiar to some of you, and you know what? I'll do a little challenge here. Let's see if you guys can guess what it might be. We've sold several of them. We love them. They're great cars, and we know them very well. So hopefully you guys can figure out what it is. Drop your comments down below, and we'll pick a winner, and we'll send you guys some swag or maybe like a hat or something cool like that. But delivery day is today, and I believe I might see the trailer coming in. Let's go! Come on, it's coming! All right, it is here. It is a beautiful 1968 TR250. You know how much we love these cars. This one is absolutely gorgeous. This is one of the nicest ones. The white one was gorgeous. The one prior to that was amazing. This one, it's beautiful. You guys are gonna love seeing this car. We'll do lots of videos, all kinds of cool stuff with this thing. But this is going to be on Bring a Trailer, so you guys can follow this auction along just like you did on the Cobra. Right now, we're gonna get it unloaded and get it in the shop. But what a great little car. She's pretty. Interior's real nice. It's a very clean car. This is a 1968 Triumph TR250. You know how much we love these cars, and this one is a beauty. We still need to go through and assess it, but here's the beautiful part. In this series, you're going with us. So you're gonna go through the entire process with us. We're going to assess the car, figure out what it needs, take care of any issues or anything that needs to be taken care of. We're going to take the pictures, we're gonna list the car, and we're gonna sell it. You get to see the entire process that we go through here at Alpine Motors on this absolutely stunning green jewel of a Triumph TR250. We know these cars inside and out, so this will be kind of a normal one for us, but it'll be a lot of fun for you. So please subscribe and join us as we go through the adventure of selling this beautiful 1968 Triumph TR250.